What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about taking OBS to the muffler shop. I just left the alignment shop and everything went perfect. The guys only had it there for half an hour at most, so I left it pretty good. It was my own alignment wasn't that bad because they didn't have any problems whatsoever. Right now I am taking the truck to the muffler shop. Like I said, it's kind of early still, but hopefully the muffler shop is gonna be open by now. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when I get there, and then I will be showing you what we're gonna do to the truck. All right, for now, stay tuned. Alright guys, so after getting it on the lift, we determined that we're gonna have to replace everything, the tailpipes from there all the way out to the tips here. One single piece. We're gonna get rid of all that just to fix this little problem here. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Alright guys, here it is. It's all done. Look at this beautiful work right here. Everything is brand new. Everything is the way it should be. Look at the distance now between the axle and the pipe. Alright guys, here it is. I just left the muffler shop, and I'm very pleased with the service. The muffler, I'll show you how it looks right now on the ground. As far as the alignment, it's perfect. It is perfect. Look at this. It's where it should be now. All right, so alignment is done. The exhaust is also done. All right, so I am very pleased. It was a very productive morning. I took care of both of those things. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of this video, which included alignment and the exhaust. Those are two more check marks onto the to-do list for the OBS. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. All right, there's gonna be more. There's more coming. We're almost done with the OBS, so just stay tuned. Just keep watching my videos. Thanks for liking, for subscribing, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.